Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, as usual, let's take a look at the gold market. On the gold market, we do not see this volatility that we have on the forex markets based on the recent comments from the European Central Bank meeting, and you could see that the euro currency has dropped below 109 area. But on the gold market, the action was really gradual. It's no really big action. Today, guys, we will get the retail sales. That could become some driving factor for the gold market. It's also some comments from the Yale and Boston University will come, so maybe this brings some more activity on the gold. But currently, everything absolutely stands as it should, as it should too. Because take a look what we have. Really, double repo pattern has been formed. Market stands in upward direction with the two sessions. On the third session, minor retracement has happened mostly due to the picture that we have on the 4-hour time frame chart. We'll take a look at it a bit later. Today, guys, everybody will take a look at the retail sales, but our suggestion is still the same. So we need to see. We think that the retracement should be a bit more extended because based on the pure technical picture, market stands that they were sold here at the weekly chart. That's why we have talked about it already. So that's why we expect some deeper retracement. So when the market stands that they were sold on the high time frame chart, on the lower time frame chart, retracement usually takes some higher levels. Something of that sort we expect to see here. Also, a bit higher retracement. It's very typical for the gold market. And I think that gold market really could show the upper direction right to the 1290 area. So nothing has changed really since our yesterday view. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we also talked about this retracement, and we said, well, it will be perfect if market will stop somewhere around this area. So just retest this level from the opposite direction and continue move higher. Now is what we see. So actually, this retracement is minor, and consider trade retracement has been made by the gold market, and this has happened because market has reached a resistance. So this is 1267 fib level, this thrusting candle, and A, B, C bottom 100% target. So it has been completed. Market has shown minor bounce here, retested the weekly period resistance one that has been broken, stands also in this area, and also retested this top of this high wave pattern on the daily chart. Now it's trying to reestablish the upward direction, so mostly probably we'll see the continuation on the closer to the end of the session when we will get data from the United States statistics. So, but currently, guys, I do not see something really curious here, something really warning that could say that market will not reach the 1290. So currently it stands absolutely normal, so no deep retracements, nothing really curious here. So let's just keep watching what we will get. Actually, as I said, maybe you are trading the double repo pattern. We haven't forbidden that, but our major object to watch for is the 1290 itself, because this area we are watching for a possible take in the short position. 1290, 1295, this conference resists on the daily, and we think that could be very suitable for taking the short position, because market, when it will abandon the oversold and comfortable oversold condition on the weekly chart, we think that it's really could drop further to the 12 even area, and after that we will get another leg. Mostly we're thinking about the deeper retracement on the monthly chart because of the momentum on the monthly chart. Since this rally that stands on the market since the December 2015 has taken the whole year, guys, as upward direction. It's the first action after the long-term bear trend since the 2008 market was dropping. That's why usually the first rally stands under pressure of the existing bearish momentum, bearish impulse, and it pushed market lower after the first leg. That's why usually when the market shows the first reversal upward swing, it shows the deep retracement after that. traders even have the rule of thumb that you should buy the first ABCD down after the reversal swing. And something of that sort we have right now. So ABCD assumes deeper retracement. That's why we expect to get 1160 in the perspective of the few months on the gold market. That's also, guys, it's interesting that in the February seasonal trend turning to the bearish side on the gold. That's why it also will be supportive for the deep retracement on the gold market. So let's see what we'll get today in the evening, what data will be released and how it will impact on the gold market.